This question is from chapter electrostatics, which is a direct question or formula based question for which we have derived. We have to get graph for that formulas, some relations. So we have to find the change in electric field as a function of distance from center for a uniformly charged sphere. So for a uniformly charged sphere, electric field at a distance r less than the radius of the sphere. See, electric field at a distance r less than the radius of sphere is given by k is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 k q r by r cube, where capital R is radius of the sphere, which is constant. Here changing value is r. So our r is changing, or electric field is changing proportional to small r. So it is changing proportional to small r inside the sphere. Now at the surface of the sphere, our electric field is, this is inside, at surface of the sphere electric field is k q by r square, which is independent of distance r. And outside the sphere, our electric field will be, outside is k q by r square. So electric field is inversely proportional to distance square. So it will be changing like this. So this graph is our option C. So right answer is C. To know more about these concepts, you can watch the videos here. You can, if you want to know about more about the concept related to electric field of spheres, in previous videos you will get the concepts, and you can watch in next videos also, you will get the concept for different cases. And you can read books of DC Pandey, page number 165, line number 12, electricity and magnetism. You will get the concept from there also. Thank you, students.